Still love it, still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. I'm just doing the.
Before we get into today's video, I just want to update you guys on this wig that I showed you previously. Now, I just wanted to let you know that this wig is still in amazing condition and is still very, very soft. As you can see, I can run my fingers through it with no issues. The hairline is still in good condition for the price and a synthetic wig. You can even see the sheen on this. It looks like it's got that human hair look to it. If you guys want to shop this wig, it will be in the description box below, and they are also having their cyber sales going on right now. So if you guys are interested and want to purchase this unit or any other units, then click the link in my description box below. All right, so to start, I am just gonna be spraying the lace on this unit with the Got2b blasting free spray. Now, this is to protect the dye from seeping through onto the lace, and I think I done about 3 or 4 coats. I don't remember, but I was being extra careful because it's my first time dyeing a wig, let alone even using hair dye, so I was just being extra careful. So I have 2 of the Dore jet black hair dyes, and I have a 28-inch wig, so I purchased 2 of these. Hopefully this is enough. Let's get straight into the dyeing process. I'm using an old container. I'm gonna put the Adore hair dye in this. I'm just shaking it up a bit. Alright, so for the application, I went through each and every strand and make sure I coat it from root to tip, and I also make sure to smooth it through using my hands so that it can evenly distribute throughout the wig. I also used a brush and a comb to further make sure that all the product was distributed throughout the hair evenly, and I feel like this technique really did work and it helped to make sure each and every strand was coated. So I finished dyeing the wig jet black and I am just waiting for it to process. I'm gonna give it about 10 more minutes, or maybe 5 actually, because it's been on for a while. Please excuse the mess in my room. I'm just trying to protect my bed, protect my floor and everything. Hopefully it doesn't tint the lace, but we will see. This is the final result before I wash it. So as you can see, the wig is completely done now and it is completely jet black. I ruined my mannequin's face because I got the dye on it, but now I'm just going to be using it to dye wigs. I did not stain the lace. It came out perfect. The only thing I'm going to do is re-bleach the knots, because I noticed that some of the knots, as you might be able to tell on the camera here, some of them turned slightly black because of the dye, but the lace is fine. So I'm just going to re-bleach it right now. I just wanted to show you guys the final results. So in case you were thinking of doing the water method, because that's the one I see all the time online, or if you decide to just do it by hand, I rather do it by hand because I feel like for me it's more safer and I trust myself more. But I love this. Now it's completely jet black, and now that I know how to do it, I'm gonna do my other wig that should be arriving today. This is the final results and how to dye your wig jet black. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you have any recommendations for other dyes that you recommend that are good? Let me know. But I absolutely love how this came out. The wig is still really soft. In fact, I feel like it's more softer now than it was before. I don't know, maybe it's the conditioner that I use, and it smells amazing. It's still flowing and everything. I just need to style the wig now, which is what I'm gonna do.